Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice.
Say, oh, I will.
No.
It's like, what are you doing to me?
It's like massages you while they're biting you.
You don't hurt. Rarely.
If you could go like this, you can actually bite somebody.
What, the bird?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna hurt my bird. You ain't in a position to piss me off.
And that would be Ma.
Okay. And I'm talking to my baby sister that is flat on her back and cannot walk for 4 weeks. I'm gonna thread my bird.